Hello and welcome to PSY 241 IN55. This is developmental psychology. I'm your instructor, Dr. Gilmore. This is a summer 2026 class, May 20 through July 22nd. What we're looking at here is kind of the general information page of our Moodle course. My name, email, office phone number, office hours. The course format is what we call asynchronous online, which means we don't meet in person. We don't have online meetings. Pretty much asynchronous. You can do the work whenever you want to, as long as it's before the due date. And this is just to get you started, this video here. So the first thing you want to do is take a look at the syllabus. Review it, read over it. If you have questions, please let me know. Once you read that, take the enrollment verification quiz. It'll take you 5 minutes or less. This is the way that I sort of check that, yes, you've entered the course, you're present, and you can continue on with the class. Once you take that quiz, you will be able to access the Introduction in Chapter 1 module. In this module, you have a discussion forum, like an intro discussion forum. That's actually due May 25th. And then you have a Chapter 1 quiz, and that's not due until May 31st. Okay? Don't wait until May 27th to do the enrollment verification quiz because you're going to miss out on this easy discussion forum. It's 30 points. Okay? So make sure you do that. And yeah, the course is pretty not self-explanatory. I can't think of the words right now. The course format's pretty consistent, right? So every chapter, you'll have a chapter quiz. Every other chapter, roughly, you'll have a written assignment. Okay, so this first discussion forum, I don't really count this as a quote-unquote written assignment, even though it is. The first real written assignment will start in Chapter 2. Okay, and I'll go over that. I send out a weekly email every Monday morning, kind of talking about what you're going to be doing, what's due, when it's due, all that kind of stuff. Okay. We will have to, because this is a summer class, there will be a couple, maybe 3 weeks, where we have to double up on chapters. Just be aware of that. So it could be like chapters 3 and 4. They'll be due in the same week. Other than that, you'll have one chapter a week, and we'll just go week to week. All right. Let's see what else. I feel like I'm leaving something off here. This is a short video. Syllabus, enrollment verification quiz. Oh, textbook, yes. Required textbook. There you go. It can be accessed through this link here. Okay, so I'm going to click on it. Let's see here. It did not block the pop-up. If your computer does that, just ask it not to. And it's logging me in because I have a Cengage account. If you do not have a Cengage account, it will prompt you to log in. Go ahead and create an account. And then next time you go through Moodle and click on the link that I just clicked on, it'll move you to this page here. This website here has a lot of stuff going on, a bunch of different activities for each chapter. You can do those if you want. They are just for practice. They do not count towards a grade in this class. Everything that's graded is directly in Moodle, will be turned in directly in Moodle. Your ebook is right here. There's a link or an icon that looks like a book. That's the cover. We can go to Chapter 1, Developmental Theories, click through, Psychodynamic Theory, right? Goes on and on. There you go. Boom, boom. So, make it bigger. That. So that's how you access your book. If you have trouble getting access to this website, please let me know. Don't wait. until things are due, until after the first quiz. I didn't have access to my book. Let me know early so that we can resolve any textbook issues. Okay? Do not wait. Do not wait. Can't stress that enough. And I think that pretty much wraps it up. Like I said, you're not going to see chapter 2 and 3 over here. I'm kind of like in instructor view. So what you're looking at, what you actually see is going to look a little different on your end. You're not going to see like this icon here, all that kind of stuff. So if you have questions about anything I said in this video or at any point in the semester, please let me know. Don't just say, well, I don't know. I'm not going to ask questions. I'm here to help you out. I know this is an online class. If this is your first time taking an online class, I know you have questions. Reach out. I am on campus Monday through Thursday. If these limited hours do not work for you, let me know. We can schedule something outside of that time. We can do a Google virtual meeting, Zoom, whatever you want to call it. We can do that. Just let me know, okay? I'm here to help you out. So I think that about wraps it up. And yeah, I will, as they say, see you online. All right.